Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look and try on the Jigsaw Japanese Selvedge straight Maddox wash jeans. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a pair of Jigsaw men's Japanese Selvedge straight Maddox wash jeans. And just taking a look at its overall details. Now let's go ahead and unfold it, so we have a better look at its details and design. So giving you a look at the full length of the jeans and flipping it over to the opposite side or other half. And let's unfold it further so we can see the details of the jeans more clearly. So giving you a look right there of this pair of Jigsaw Japanese Selvedge straight Maddox wash jeans in Indigo. And let's take a look at the hang tag. So there are a couple of hang tags. And let's flip one of them over and giving you a look at the details on the hang tag and at the other one as well. So giving you a look at the other label. Okay, so now taking a further out look once again of this pair of jeans. So you can see the colour in Indigo, which is a rather dark navy blue, or just simply Indigo. And now taking a look at the front details, so you can see the buttons have a rubbery coated or vulcanized finish to them. And we can see there's some copper detailing inside of them. So button fastening or button fly. And of course giving you a look at the pocket details as well. And its rivets, so they are plain black rivets in matte black. So right there giving you a look at the details. And of course on the right side with the coin pocket and the stitching details as well. So giving you a look right there. And of course the inside pocket details and overall lining. And now taking a look at the back, so let me flip it over so that you can see the back of the jeans right there. So very minimal in design, you can see just a white rectangular stitch for the back patch or waist patch right there. And with the pocket design, also very simple, with only the necessary stitching around the edges. Now let's take a look down the leg of the jeans. So taking a look at the side. And all the way towards the hem or leg opening. So just flipping it over and giving you a look at the details on the inside or underside. Of the pair of jeans. So overall you can see very soft, well not exactly very soft, but soft fabric. And lastly, let's take a look around the seat and inseam. Of the jeans. So you can see the stitching detail is in gold, as best I can make out of it. It appears to be gold, as you can see, against the indigo colouring. Okay, and of course taking a look on the inside of the jeans. So just flipping the front out so you can see the inside details, and let's flip it around in the right orientation so it's more easy to handle. So let's flip those hang tags away so we can see on the inside details of the jeans. So we can see what appears to be copper rivets to the buttons, as we can see from the front, that copper detail that we saw earlier. Actually giving you a look at the stem of the button as well, or post of the button for the button fly. So in that overall appears to be a different color. You can see it looks like a stainless steel color as opposed to the copper on the front and at the back. So there is a post or shaft for the button, and you can see that it does have a satin finish to the back of the buttons, and just giving you a look at that button fly detail from the inside and on the reverse side as well. So lots of little details throughout this pair of Jigsaw Japanese Selvedge straight Maddox wash jeans. So giving you a look at the profile of the jeans as well. Well, let's return to the pocket that we were taking a look at previously. So right there, much closer in look at the details with the jigsaw patch and woven in Japan. And of course the underside or inside details. And just trying to show you as much detail as I can of this pair of jeans. So just flipping the lining or pockets out. And we can see the sizing detail as well. This one is in a 30 waist, so 30 inches for the waist of this pair of jeans. And it is 100% cotton. And the care instructions as well, right there. So made in China, but woven in Japan. And at the back part of the inside, there is a loop for hanging. So lots of little details to the jeans, and just giving you a look at the overall material, which is 100% cotton of this pair of Japanese Selvedge straight Maddox wash jeans in indigo and a 30-inch waist. So once again, taking a look at the back, as well as the front of the jeans. So slightly tricky to handle with the tripod in the way. But nonetheless, doing my best here to give you that full look. And we can tuck the hang tags in, so giving you a bit more clarity there. And of course the belt loops as well, just giving you a look at that belt loop design. And now let's go ahead and try it on. So let's tilt the camera up. Now giving you a look at the pair of jeans and me standing right next to it. So I do have a 32.5-inch waist, and remember this pair of jeans is sized for a 30-inch waist. I'm just holding the pair of jeans in front of me. So you can see its overall details. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try it on. So, now let's button it up. So button fly with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, and just giving you a look at the jeans on my body. And giving you a closer in look at the details with the button fly, 5 buttons, and just giving you a look at the back as well, and of course the sides of the jeans. And let's actually push down on the pockets. So the jeans actually sit properly on my body. So there we go, once again, giving you a full look at this pair of Jigsaw Japanese Selvedge straight Maddox wash jeans. And close-up detail, and of course giving you a look at its wearability, and of course just simply strolling around So that's the Jigsaw Japanese Selvedge straight Maddox wash jeans. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!